Voomly. Now, Voomly is a company which was previously created and founded by an entrepreneur, which I definitely admire and have learned a lot from because he's such a great marketer. His name is Brad, if I remember correctly. And I just love seeing his creations, and he's a really good software CEO, software founder. And he started a number of software companies, Doodly, Toonly, Voomly, bit of a trend here. And he actually sold all of them to Russell Brunson, the CEO / co-founder of ClickFunnels. So Voomly is a video hosting tool that is actually owned by ClickFunnels. So slowly but surely, you're starting to see the funnel strategy and the funnels way of doing things with Russell being implemented. And also a lot of the sales pages for ClickFunnels does now is actually done with the video hosting of Voomly, because now Russell bought the company. And I don't remember how much it was, but I think it was $40 million for all the companies together as a package. And so it was a really interesting acquisition. Now, Voomly, I bought it when it was a lifetime deal, and I've not used it a lot. And it's kind of like at the back of my mind as a it's still at the back of my mind as a video hosting tool. But I'll tell you, there is two things that I really like about Voomly that I know at some point is going to be a really good use case for me. And that's why I'm kind of happy with that purchase, even though I've not made a lot of use of it. So Voomly enables you to create video within a video and buttons inside a video. So let's just say you are wanting to have a conversation with somebody. And I'll give you a classic example in my business on when I speak to people. I could ask them, which one of the 5 routes to making money online are you interested in? Affiliate marketing, course creation, membership business, service provider, or a coach? Which one of these are you most interested in? And I could put that video on Voomly and then have basically 5 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the person inside the video, they can click inside the video into the button and say affiliate marketer. I can have that be a link, so it will automatically open on my YouTube video on affiliate marketing. Or it could take them to the webinar of affiliate marketing that I have. Or if they are choosing course creation, it could take them to my blog about course creation. Or if they want to be a service provider, it could take them to the traffic training that I have, or whatever. The point is that I can basically create what's known as a video funnel, which is something really, really clever and really good for automations. Now, to be honest, I've just not gotten around to create something like that, but I know at some point I want to automate. And I think that Voomly is going to become a really useful tool for me whenever that time comes. And now that they've been acquired by ClickFunnels, I know that obviously they've got a lot of financial backing. So there's not really an issue with them going out of business. They were already a great tool already as it is. And that's just a tool that I think is great. So if you do want to check it out, you could go to around.link/Voomly. It is a good alternative for video hosting. So for example, if you're using ThriveCart, which I spoke about in another video, and you need video hosting because you're using ThriveLearn, or you're using WordPress to host your courses and you need video hosting, again, that's a good solution. Maybe using MemberVault, you need the video hosting. Voomly is a good solution for something like that. It's a good alternative to Vimeo or Searchie, and it's cheaper, basically. So it's a cheaper alternative to all of these tools. So anyway, that's the video hosting option I want to tell you about. Again, it's not something that I massively actively use, but it's still a good tool, and it might be a good budget-friendly solution for video hosting.